So I have made two bases for bridal masks. So that one is a self-tie mask, and that one will be elasticated mask that you can put the elastic behind your ears. And let's decorate these masks. So I will leave this mask to dry overnight because the rhinestones need to settle on the mask. This glue dries completely clear, see-through, so you won't see any glue liquid anywhere. It will be completely clear, and yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm very happy with the result. And here they are. Bridal decorative face masks. I'll be adding these two masks on my Etsy shop on my bridal page. I will add my shop link down below on description. They're so stunning, so blingy.